Hello, it's me Judy Semugabi Bachaita. I'm back with our Luganda lesson 10, Soma Luganda mu Luganda. We are continuing with our parts of speech. In lessons 7, 8 and 9 we saw 5 parts of speech. We said we have 8, so we've already saw 5, now 3 more to go. The one we saw is erinnya, noun, nakongeza linnya, adjective, nakasigirwa, pronoun, ebikolwa, verbs, nakongeza kikolwa, adverb. The 6th part of speech is nakalazi, which is preposition in English. Nakalazi. Nakalazi are mostly used to indicate position. Buno bwe bugambo obulaga ekifo ekintu wekiba oba wekikolerwa oba omuntu wakikolera. Okugeza, example, teeka amata gange mu bbinika. Teeka amata gange mu bbinika. Mu ye nakalazi. Mu ye nakalazi, which is the preposition in English. Teeka amata gange mu bbinika. Put my milk in the kettle. Tuula ku ntebe. Tuula ku ntebe. Sit on the chair. Biteeke waggulu ku meeza. Biteeke waggulu ku meeza. Put them on top of the table. Ayimiridde wakati. Ayimiridde wakati. He or she is standing in the middle. So the words in red are the prepositions or nakalazi in Luganda. The 7th part of speech is nakayunzi or entaba bigambo. Nakayunzi or entaba bigambo. In English, it's called conjunction. Conjunction is the words used to connect words or phrases in Luganda. Obugambo obukozesebwa okuyunga sentence. Obugambo obukozesebwa okuyunga sentence. Okugeza, babadde basambye bulungi naye bakooye mangu. Babadde basambye bulungi naye bakooye mangu. They played well, but they got tired easily. So this word naye is used to connect these two sentences. These would have been two sentences, like babadde basambye bulungi, full stop. Bakooye mangu, full stop. So we should have had 2 sentences. But to make it one, we have to use a conjunction, which is ntaba bigambo or nakayunzi. So in this sentence, naye is adding those 2 sentences to make it one. Naye, ye, nakayunzi, oba entaba bigambo. Babadde basambye bulungi naye bakooye mangu. They played well, but they got tired easily. Nasomye nenjoza n'engoye. Nasomye nenjoza n'engoye. I went to school and I washed the clothes. I went to school and I washed the clothes. Judy ayimba bulungi kyokka okuzina kwa mulema. Judy ayimba bulungi kyokka okuzina kwa mulema. Judy sings well, however, she is unable to dance. We are still continuing with conjunctions. Nakayunzi or ntaba bigambo. In Luganda, we can also use apostrophe, this sign here, apostrophe, to add words. Mu Luganda, tukozesa akabonero akasukkize, this sign, akasukkize okuyunga ebigambo. Okugeza, otambula ng'omusajja oli. Otambula ng'omusajja oli. This is one sentence. We used apostrophe to add two sentences, or to add two words, like nga. This would have been nga, then omusajja. Nga, one word. Omusajja, one word. Nga, one word. Omusajja, one word. Now, we've used the apostrophe to get rid of a. We used the apostrophe to get rid of a and add the word as one. Ng'omusajja. Ng'omusajja. Atambula. Otambula ng'omusajja oli. You walk like that man. Omulenzi n'omuwala batudde wali. Omulenzi n'omuwala batudde wali. Two words added as one using apostrophe. A boy and a girl are seated there. Mukasa agenze n'akambe. Mukasa agenze n'akambe. Mukasa went with a knife. You see these words in brackets, they show that we have two words. In red, it shows that we've added two words to get one using the apostrophe. Our last part of speech is obwewuunya, oba obukungiriza, oba obusaasira. Obwewuunya, or obukungiriza, or obusaasira. In English, interjections. Those are exclamatory words used to express feelings such as wonder, pity, sorrow, joy, etc. Obugambo obwewuunya bwe buno wano. Okugeza, example, okugeza. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's I'm wondering, wonder. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chitalo, chitalo. Condolences. Bambi, bambi. Sympathy. Mukadde, mukadde. Envious. This word mukadde, it depends on the way you say it, because mukadde can mean old person. Mukadde can mean old person. But if you say it like mukadde, mukadde, that is being envious. This is the same as mama, mama. Okay, mama can mean mommy. Mama can mean mommy. But if I say it the way I've just said it, like mama, mama, that's being envious. That's the last. This is the end of our lesson 10. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'ekkumi. Ery'ekkumi. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed other lessons, you can find them on my YouTube channel, which is called Judy's Basket. Judy's Basket. Please go there and please do subscribe. I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Thank you so much. Mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Mweraba. Goodbye. Mweraba. Hopefully you've learned something out of this lesson, and hoping to see you again in lesson 11. I'm still Judy Semugabi Bachaita. Stay blessed. Bye.